That type of politician who understands the principles of Prithvi Tattva knows it. And all asanas in Prithvi Tattva, which we do in a sleeping position or a lying, not sleeping position, of course, I've been in a lying down position, helps you to master the earth principle. And what is earth principle? And what is earth element? Earth element, you are understanding this earth and everything that is solid. It is need not be the entire earth is Prithvi. The Prithvi principle is anything which is solid. For example, ice is the Prithvi principle of water. Water is the water principle of water. Vapor is the air principle of water. Am I clear? All of you are following this. It is not difficult, but to understand the difference between the principle and an element. Ice is an element, and all solids on the earth is Prithvi principle. Principle matlab tattva. Element is to which you are directed to, which you are addressing. The house is an earthy principle, but its form is earth element. The earth element is utilized in different types of walls and this, and it has become a home. Could I make the meaning between principle and element clear to all of you? So whoever masters these two things, the earth principle and the earth element, becomes a politician. Na Vishnu Prithvi Pate, that is the Vedic formula. If you want to become the master of Vishnu, Vishnu is the power which controls the entire planet Earth. One of the wives' name of Prithvi is Bhudevi. One of the wives' name of Vishnu is Bhudevi and Lakshmi Devi. And to master this, we need both. We want the earth also and we want the Lakshmi also. And all lying down asanas develops the. I am not talking about the politics. Please correct yourself. And if I am not able to make it clear, then I am not a good teacher. When I am talking about the politicians in Yoga Shastra, I am not talking about the political parties and the politicians. I am talking the inner earth element that is already in your body, which if you can control it, it becomes the siddhi of the earth principle. I am talking about your body, and your body needs the earth principle. And any earth principle or element who can masterize, automatically they become the politicians. Got the link what Param Pujya Gurudev wants to tell? That is what was the essence of his Pancha Virabhadra sadhana. He said, I have given all the principles for politicians as earth principle, for business people as water principle, for scientists as the fire principle, for the actors and what we can the dramatize and film actors and any actors, and those who want to act to avoid a class also, it is also a part of the acting. So don't think that I am only talking about the actings. Any acting wherever it is done, that is by the air principle. And last, the ability to teach, that is the teacher principle. So these 5 elements in your body are capable of making you a politician, a businessman, a scientist, a artist and a teacher. These are the 5 siddhis on the 5 principles. And these 5 principles are utilized by your physical body, by your emotional body and your mental body. Bhur, Bhuvaha, Swaha. So 5 plus 3, 8. These 8 siddhis are the necessity goal of all yogas. Today I will teach you one simple exercise on all the 5 principles plus the 3. And those who are interested in yoga and other things, and those who are already doing yogas, they will very easily find out the continuity of these earth principles, water principles, fire principle, the air principle, and the akasha principle in all the yogas. And in your ability to think, there are three types of thinking. What Patanjali Yoga Sutra tells: dharana, dhyana, and samadhi. So these 5 principles and these 3 mental planes, the dharana plane, the dhyana plane, and then the samadhi plane. And Param Pujya Gurudev gives us such a tremendous boost that you need not do any practice for dharana, dhyana, and samadhi. You already know those 3 states. You have to recognize. This process of recognition of your mental planes in the 3 levels. In English, the dharana is known as concentration. Dhyana is known as meditation. And samadhi is known as contemplation. And Param Pujya Gurudev says that the modern humanity has grown in such a fast way that you need not practice the Patanjali Yoga Sutras for dharana, dhyana, and samadhi, because you already have it. The only thing what you have to know is you should convert it into treasures. The talent is there. The talent of concentration is there. Siddhi. When I say talent, I mean siddhi. You have the talent of dhyana, that of meditation is there. You have to make it, convert it into treasures. You have the talent, siddhi of samadhi. You have to convert it into a treasure. So these 5 principles and these 3 levels makes the Ashtanga Yoga, or the 8 siddhis. And wherever there is a somewhat flickering light, you get a human body. You remember that. A human body, deho devalaya proktaha. The real temple is your body. The external devalayas are only a source where you learn that devatva, divinity. Just as you go to the Vidyalaya, you learn the Vidya, and where that Vidya is? In you. If it is not in you, you will not get the certificate. That is why the examinations are conducted. You come to the Vidyalaya, have the Vidya been imbibed in you? Have you got the Vidya inside you? If you get the Vidya inside you, it becomes a siddhi, and naturally it becomes a source of treasure, is it not? Just as the Vidyalaya becomes a siddhi when that Vidya is inside you, and it becomes a source of nidhi.